All right, family, when you hit this rock here and those rocks right there, you're about 15 feet away.
Are you ready?
Yo, YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? I'm in Maryland looking for the oldest cache, hiking on the Union Dam Trail to track it down. Let's go check it out. Here we go. Okay, so we just got on the trail and it is very rocky so far. It's got some drop-offs, some big rocks, has a lot of people, so we're gonna keep our distance. It looked like it was about 495 feet, but it does a horseshoe to get there, so it's gonna be actually quite a bit further, but I'm up for the challenge. Let's do this. Okay, so you're gonna come down this trail here. It actually forks. It goes this way and then to the left. I'm gonna go down the steep hill over this way. This ain't got nothing on me compared to all the hikes I've already done. This should be a cakewalk. Okay, so when you're coming from this direction, over here you'll see the dock. You want to go by the dock. So the river's that way. You want to be on the right side of the river with the dock on your left. I got turned around real quick, but I think I've corrected the issue. We're good to go. Looks like we're about 1/10 of a mile from this spot right here. Wow, look at that valley all the way to the top. Here's the trail. Oh, look at this. There's a giant rock over here. That's where I came from. Let's go up this trail. Wow, these hills are no joke. Mud, mud, mud. At least it's not slippery. 355 feet. I feel so small compared to the giant overhang above me. Oh man, this just keeps getting better and better. Carving out history here. Holy cow. Look at this trail. It is kind of narrow, kind of steep, I guess. Let's do it. All right, family, when you hit this rock here and those rocks right there, you're about 15 feet away. I saw this tree over here and I thought maybe it was in here. It's not in there. Let's go explore the rocks. Or maybe it's uphill. There's whatever's in here. That's not it. Quest continues. Dun dun dun. Okay, so we were right up there. We came down this trail. Around here, I saw this rock opening. Let's see if it's in here. This looks like it could be promising. Ha ha. Yeah, buddy. Got the oldest cache in Maryland. Jusef's cache. All right, friends, another oldest down. Whew. Let's see what's inside of it. What do you guys say? All right, we've got a big bag of stuff. All right, we got a bag, swag bag. We're not gonna go through everything in there. And then the all-important logbook. All right, guys, the spot right back here that leads down to the geocache is right where we're gonna wrap up this adventure video. If you're not a Geocaching with Triple P subscriber yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help me reach 75 subs by the end of 2020. And I'll see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.